Health insurance claims in India have grown by 30% over 3 years, driven by rising costs, seasonal illnesses, and chronic conditions such as diabetes and cancer. It's not just the older population buying health insurance. The younger ones, as young as 18, are doing it now. Why so? We'll tell you about that. We'll also tell you why heart disease is now accounting for 25 to 30% of term insurance claims, according to a report by Policy Bazaar. Here's a lowdown. Do you think you are too young for health insurance? Well, think again. 38.2% claims made by people are between the ages of 18 and 35. Such claims are going up with time. Health cover claims go up by 30%. According to Policy Bazaar, there has been a consistent increase in the average claim payout from 62,014 rupees in financial year 2023 to 81,025 rupees in financial year 2025. Well, this growth can be attributed to rising medical costs, seasonal illnesses, and chronic conditions like diabetes and cancer.
This is largely driven by a couple of factors. One is that the number of claims which are due to the seasonal illnesses like dengue, malaria, etc. have gone up. Secondly, what we also see is a lot of younger people are falling ill due to chronic illnesses such as heart-related ailments or brain strokes or other critical ailments, which has significantly gone up in the last couple of years. Second thing is, as there's a lot more awareness about health insurance, more people are purchasing health insurance. So I think that is also leading to a higher claim experience, which is being experienced by the overall industry.
The upward trend also suggests a rise in healthcare expenses and greater medical costs being claimed by policyholders. The surge in payouts is attributed to the growing prevalence of chronic illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, as well as seasonal ailments. The average claim payout numbers are over 62,000 rupees in financial year 2023, over 70,000 in financial year 2024, and this is expected to go up to 81,000 in financial year 2025. What's also expected in 2025 is that health insurance premiums are going to remain elevated. This is predicted by the Insurance Regulatory Authority of India, which also talks about the fact that this year, 11% of all health insurance claims were rejected. Term insurance claims are predominantly characterized by heart diseases, making up 25 to 30% of the total claims. Natural deaths account for 30 to 35% of the claims, while accident-related claims stand at approximately 15 to 20%. While the impact of COVID-19 is evident in the rising number of related claims, reflecting the ongoing influence of the pandemic on life insurance trends. It's a world where pursuit of longevity is a universal desire. It's a pursuit of mortality that everyone is on. But why and how? Well, biohacking has been a buzzword this year, the year 2024. Expect 2025 to get even crazier when it comes to this craze of biohacking. So where does India really stand in the race for immortality? Well, as we navigate through 2024, a new buzzword has emerged at the forefront of both health and technological innovation, which is longevity. This term encapsulating the pursuit of a longer, healthier life. Longevity in 2024 is not just about adding years to life, but also about adding quality of life to those years. With advancements in medical technology, nutrition, and general wellness practices, we are witnessing an era where the quality of life in later years is becoming a focal point. The shift towards prioritizing long-term health and vitality is driving innovations across various sectors, from healthcare to fitness and nutrition. This is the new talk of the era. People are most concerned about reverse aging and longevity. And just about everyone is getting into that bandwagon. India too isn't left behind. Challenging the idea that aging is inevitable, the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, has launched a Longevity India initiative. which aims at increasing human health span and overcoming challenges associated with growing older.
Longevity basically means durability. So the idea of this whole initiative is about what can we do to make human beings more durable. So aging is something which is now becoming very, very inevitable. So that's the motivation of this initiative, that what can we do with our understanding of deep science, deep technology, to tell you early on that look, your X organ needs maintenance before it needs therapy. And that's what Longevity India initiative is all about.
In a graying world, science and technologies are coming together in search of immortality. Scientists are bringing their big brains where tech billionaires are investing big bucks at longevity projects. According to Allied Market Research, the longevity market is expected to be worth $44 billion by 2030. Some of the longevity evangelists include Amazon's Jeff Bezos, Alphabet's Larry Page, and OpenAI's Sam Altman. Others like Google co-founder Sergey Brin funneling their dollars into developing a revolutionary immune system that will fight against cancer and Parkinson's. In India, Prashant Prakash, co-founder of Accel Partner, is a major investor in Longevity India initiative launched by the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru.
So as an investor who believes that technology and AI can solve many things, and of course AI is today used in multiple research areas when it comes to finding the next cancer drug, when it comes to analyzing clinical trials. And I thought that something like Longevity India can be a platform for entrepreneurs who want to better understand the potential of the science underlying aging.
Outside of India, Brian Johnson has popularized anti-aging, investing in nutrition, exercise, and wellness plans that could very well break the status quo of the aging process. The 46-year-old is a former Silicon Valley CEO who claimed that he has reversed his epigenetic age by 5.1 years through anti-aging regime on which he spends more than $2 million every single year. The regime is called Project Blueprint and includes consuming more than 100 supplements a day and a strict diet. We have another example of longevity practitioner Deborah Zekeli. She recently turned 102 years old, staying fit, and even manages to work out 3 times a week. India's growing community of biohackers may not have Johnson's $1 million budget, but they have their own ways to optimize wellness. Well, the current cap on human lifespan is 122 years. Well, that's the age at which the world's longest living person died. So it will be possible for one to live that long, or maybe even more, staying fit and stronger if longevity becomes that achievable. Well, that brings us to the end of this edition of Health 360. We hope you enjoyed watching the show as much as we did, putting it together for you. Well, if you like these reports, you can catch them on our website too. That's indiatoday.in, or download the app. All of India Today's social media platforms, that's YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, also carry our reports. You can search them using hashtag Health360 or Health360 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had a great year. We hope that you will have a great new year as well. Just wishing all our viewers a very happy new year and the entire team of Health 360. Bye for now.